Question 18. OACD is a trapezium made from three equilateral triangles, where OA is A, OB is B, and M is the midpoint of CD. So the first thing I'm going to do before I even read any of these questions is if I know that I've got A there, then this part here is going to be A, and I know that that is B, and I know that that is B as well. Write down the vector AB in terms of A and B. Now, the vector AB is just going to be going down that way, but I don't know that, it's not labelled. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go my labelled route there and there. So by going from A to O, that is going to be minus A, and then from O to B is plus B. Part B, show that OC is parallel to BM. So if we are showing that vectors are parallel to each other, all we do is we show that one is a multiple of the other. So OC is just going to be this route here, so that is just going to be A plus B. And now we need BM. So looking at my diagram, BM is I'm going to go up there and then down to that part there. So looking at that logically, BM is going to be the vector from B to C plus the vector from C to M. Now, because M is the midpoint, we know that it's halfway between C and D. So what I can do is I can say this is going to be BC still, add a half of the vector CD. Now CD, I've got very helpfully labelled. That's going to be minus A plus B. So I've got add a half of minus A plus B. BC I can see is an A, so I've got A there. So we've got A minus 0.5A add 0.5B. 1A take away a half of A is going to be 0.5A add 0.5B. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out the half because I've got half in both of them. So half at the front, A plus B. And what you can see here is that my vectors, A plus B and A plus B, are identical, but the BM one is just times by a half. So I would then write my statement, say BM is a multiple of OC, therefore they are parallel.